Alright guys, George here from Delusional Designs CNC. Going to do a walkthrough of our new Liberty series. One of the first things you see here comes with the laptop computer. Comes with the torch height controller built right into the laptop stand, as well as your e-stop. We're running UC CNC software on a Windows 10 computer. These are new computers, not refurbished. Our machines come fully assembled here on the Liberty series. So down here you can see we have the control panel. This laptop stand is also a pivoting variety, so it swivels. They come standard with the water table. The full linear slide and metal rack and pinion is standard. They also come with the cable chain, standard on all axis. Also, optical limit switches are on all axis. It also comes with the floating head. All that stuff. Breakaway torch mount is standard on these. You see how nice and clean everything is. All the wires are nice and tidy. Comes fully assembled. Comes with a 3-year warranty. These here can also run with a remote pendant or a wireless keyboard. They come with the plate stops here to align your sheets for cutting, which makes it very easy. The slat configuration can be doubled, or some can be taken out. They just float in there, so they're easily removed for replacement. We're gonna probably go ahead and do a little jogging here real quick. So just to get you an idea, this machine will do 1,000 inches a minute in the X and Y, and 800 inches a minute in the Z, which is almost more than you can control there, but you get the idea on that. We're going to go over a couple of the nice features about this machine. What UC CNC gives us, this is the environment that it comes with. Okay, if I can get my camera stabilized here. So one of the things you see on here is it has digital readout, which does machine and work coordinates. Can home all, or you can home individual axis. You can set 0 individually, or all of them. You notice it has a reset button, the override limits down at the bottom, cycle stop, feed hold, single line, cycle start, and an offline mode, so you can run it in test mode without actually moving the machine. Now, one of the nice things about this is it has a run from here feature, which you can see on this screen there. If you're running a file and it was to stop for any reason, the torch got knocked off, or you know, you lost the arc to a flame out, this gives you the ability to run from wherever it stopped at, and you know, it'll actually trigger the torch at that point, instead of having to go back to the last point where it had fired the torch, which would cause you to double cut apart and have a torch dive. So now that's a nice feature. Also on here we can see that we have the ability to turn the torch off and on from the screen, the torch height controller off and on from the screen, the anti-dive, the torch delay, and the anti-down. Also, we have a probe there on there, our work offsets. We have also where we can set our anti-dive percentage, our torch height controller minimum and maximum, our torch height controller delay, our pierce height, and our THC feed, all on the screen. Or we can also do these via G-code. We also have a feed rate override there. You can see next to or below the feed rate override, it tells us if we have our arc okay with the THC arc on, and then we have a THC up, THC down, so it knows if it's getting signals, the anti-dive and the delay, if those are activated. But it will also show the F actual right there is your feed that it's running at, and the F set, so it shows you what it's doing. Really great software here. It allows us to be able to go into our diagnostics and see all of the I/O monitor, so we can see what is happening for ports 2 and 1. Everything on here, it will actually tell you your job properties. This software also has the ability to go ahead and do keyboard jogging. or you can jog manually from the screen up here, okay? But it will also tell you when you load your file, if you home the machine, it will let you know if your part is going to fit before you even try to start running it where you're at. So a lot of really good high-end features in the software. Some of the other benefits on this machine, we are running a 4-to-1 planetary gearboxes on the stepper motors, which really helps out with the reliability, strength, and acceleration of the machine. Like I say, we cut no corners building these, and it definitely shows. These feature a 3-year warranty. Let us know what you think, guys. Thanks.